Pasamundos. Hi, everybody. It's Mr. B. Today we're going to talk about characters and settings. Mirror my actions. Why isn't this working? I guess I got to go this way. Okay. Mirror my actions. Characters are the animals, people, and creatures in your story. Mirror my actions. The characters are the animals, people, or creatures in your story. Mirror my actions. The setting is where the story takes place. Mirror my actions. The setting is where the story takes place. Now, along with this video, I've included you a video of the Super Mr. B show. I don't know if you watched it before this or after this. And there will be a worksheet to go along with today. We're going to look at something kind of special today. We're going to look at the trailer for the movie Frozen. I'm sure many of you have seen this movie before.
It couldn't be warmer. It couldn't be sunnier. But that's about to change.
So they started right off by explaining a little bit about the setting, didn't they? It couldn't be warmer. It couldn't be sunnier. That's part of the setting, isn't it? Look, we see what's part of the setting here. We got mountains, right? Sunshine, and we got some water here, right? Looks like this is the little town here, right? That's part of the setting. The setting has a lot to do with this story, I think, because I haven't really ever seen it.
Summer in the city of Arendelle.
Arendelle, it looks like that's where the name of the setting.
It couldn't be sunnier.
Ooh, it's
That's
sunny.
about to change. Forever.
Uh-oh.
Arendelle. It's completely frozen.
So, the setting has changed, hasn't it? It turned from sunny to frozen, and that's the name of this whole movie, isn't it? This whole movie is about the setting, right? It's about the setting got changed somehow, and they are trying to change it back.
Real howler in July, yeah? The land covered in eternal snow.
Ooh. Whoops. So I've seen this girl. Who will save the day? Who will? The characters will, won't they? The main characters are the who. That's who's going to save the day, right? Yeah.
Don't do something soon, we'll all freeze to death. You want to...
So it looks like this fella here is kind of an important character. Let's see if we can get it back to him here. I don't know. Yeah. The ice guy? I don't know. I guess he sells ice. I don't know. I don't know his name. But he's one of the main characters, isn't he? Yeah. He's a main character. What can we say about this guy, huh? What are some things you notice about this guy?
You want to talk about a problem? I sell ice for a living.
Yeah, there he is.
Business to be in right now. I mean,
And this girl here, I don't know her name either. Maybe you can help me out. But these are the two main characters, aren't they? Aren't they main characters? Yes, they are. So, I don't know their names. Maybe you can tell me their names. I don't know.
it's really that's unfortunate.
My lady.
This is awkward. Not you're awkward, but just because I'm awkward. You're gorgeous. Wait, what?
Is that a different guy? I don't know. I don't know if that's a different guy or not. And the snowman, see what they're doing there is they're showing you the characters, aren't they? They're introducing the characters. Right? And we got a snowman here. I know his name's Olaf, isn't he? He's another character.
I'm Olaf. Hi. You're creepy.
I don't want it. No.
Alright, we got off to a bad start.
Then another character, right? This girl here, I don't know her name. Elsa. Is that her name, Elsa? Yeah, maybe. I don't
I
know.
know how to stop this winter.
Hang on.
I like fast.
Whoa. Get your feet down. This is fresh lacquer. Seriously, were you raised in a barn? Let's go bring back summer!
Whoa! Oh.
Man, I'm out of shape.
Ooh.
Are you okay?
I've got a thick skull. I don't have a skull.
Oh, woo!
Hairbrush.
He's making you.
Okay.
Now we just have to survive this blizzard.
That's no blizzard.
Ooh, and here's another character I saw a couple times. It looks like this is some kind of a witch person, right? This is another important character. I don't know how much you see her in the movie. We haven't seen her that much in the trailer. But anyways, it's another character.
That's my sister.
Ooh, it's her sister, right? So we can start talking about characters. And in second and third grade, you guys got to say a little more about characters and settings, don't you? You can't just say, who's the character? It's the little girl. No, you guys are expected to say, what can you tell me about this character? What are some of these characters' traits, right? There's one girl, and its sister is a witch, right? And the connection between these characters and how those characters' connections and their character traits help the story develop, right? What do the characters have to do with the way the story goes? It's very important. Also the setting, and in this one the setting is a big deal, right? Because the setting is what it's all about, right? It's all about the setting.
It is not nice to throw snow, people.
Whoa, Feisty Pants. Just let the snowman be.
I'm calm.
Great. Come on.
Olaf, you're melting.
Some people are worth melting for.
You're just maybe not right this second.
Ah.
Come on, buddy, faster.
It looks really good, doesn't it?
I can't feel my legs. Those are my legs. Hey, do me a favor, grab my butt.
Ah.
That feels better.
All right. So that is your little homework assignment for today is going to have to do with this, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to send along with you, let me show you a copy, hold on. I'm going to send you along a copy of this characters and settings little chart here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take that, what we just saw, right? And you're going to, using words, I want you to describe the characters over here, not just say who they are, not just their names, but I want you to tell me something about each character. And over on this side, I want you to tell me something about the setting. Now, after you've used your words, you can draw a picture of it on a separate sheet of paper, or use your words on another sheet of paper and draw your pictures on this if you'd like to draw pictures. But I'm more interested in your words. I want to know what you have to say about the movie Frozen. What are the main characters? Tell me something about them, not just their names. And what about the setting? What happens to the setting? And I want you to tell me, in your words, what that has to do with the story. All right, everybody. I hope you're keeping warm. I hope you're keeping safe. And I will see you soon. All right. Goodbye.